Hey guys, I've come to you with another video, a fidget cube. And I just got this, and I wonder what you guys are like so hyped about. But like literally, like, I need it to focus. Perfect. So basically, I know I picked the worst color too, because yeah. You could push down on the joystick thing. You could twist it, and with this, it's like this ball thing in place. It's got gears you could do on and off switch. It's got a circle thingy. It's like this circle that you could spin. It's got a tiny like dent in it. See? And then these things, they're basically 5 little clicky things. And last but not least, a thumb indent type of thing. It just fits your like thumb almost perfectly. But yeah, those are all 6 sides. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. Please, guys. I really want more subscribers. Like, I don't want to be one of those people, because Mr. Beast recently did a video where contestants and they get a shout out for the channel. Well, he basically, no offense if YouTuber Zay something watches this, but like, I want to really grow my channel, you know? Like, I want to start from scratch and work my way up. Not like get interviewed by real big YouTubers that work so hard, you know? That works so hard to get at their pace and interviews people and shouts them out, and then they get like a lot of subscribers too. Like, I don't want to be one of those people. So bye. Oh yeah, and Master Ninja 057, search up his name. I'm gonna shout him out only because he's my best friend, you know? Like, he does a lot of cool videos. He's got 27 subscribers. He started 5 years ago. So if you guys go check out his channel, Master Ninja 057, it's all at once. So, okay, bye.